Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to learn about the functions in the JavaScript. So the functions are a set of statements that performs a task. It allows us to define a block of code and then we give it a name and then we execute it as many times as we need. The keyword function is used to define the functions in the JavaScript and we can perform the same actions in many places of the code. So this is the use of the function. So how can we declare the function? So below is the syntax to declare the function in the JavaScript. So first there will be the function keyword and then the function name and then the body will be there, and in these brackets you can add some parameters also. So the function is the keyword, the function name is the name given to be the function, and the function body is there and it contains some code which we want to add inside the function, and the parameters inside these brackets we may add some parameters for the function. So this is how the functions can be declared. So now we will see it in the code. So now we will go to the Visual Studio Code and in the index.js. So now we will open the console here, and if we will type the console.log, and yes, it is working here. So now we have to declare the function here. So to declare the function, as we saw in the PPT, there is the function keyword here and then the function name and then the parenthesis and then the body. So the same will be followed here. The function name, the function keyword will be there, and then the function name will be there. Like in my case it will be the display, and then the function body will be there, and in the body we will declare a message. So the console.log, and it will be the hello world. So now we have to call the function here. So to call the function we have to give the same name of the function like the display, and then we will call it. So now if we will say, now we will see the hello world here in the console because we have now called this function, and as we discussed we can use it multiple times. So we will now call the function multiple times. So I will call the display here again and again. So now you will see the hello world is here with it 2 times. So this is how we can declare the functions in the JavaScript. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video. Thank you guys.